Top 7 Best Dashcam Under $100 in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of product in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Z-Edge Z3 Pro. The Z-Edge Z3 Pro is our pick for the best overall dash cam under $100. This dual dash camera can capture up to 2560 x 1404 type at 30 frames per second FPS through the front-facing camera and 1920 x 1008 type HD footage at 30 FPS through the rear camera, with an advanced NT96675 processor. Both front and rear dash cams have night vision, meaning you'll have no problem capturing video footage in low light conditions. This dash camera features several automatic safeguards, including automatic recording once turning the ignition, built-in G sensors for automatic recording when a crash is detected, and a parking mode watchdog for round-the-clock surveillance of your vehicle. The Z-Edge Z3 Pro also features wide dynamic range WDR technology that balances exposure to give the highest image quality possible. Number 6. Thighey Sapfield 0 Plus Dashcam. First off, this dashcam is discreetly designed so you don't have a bulky gadget on your dash. It has dual cameras with full HD 1008 type and HD 720 type, with both cameras recording at 30 frames per second. And with 170 degrees wide angle lens, you get a clear 3-lane view without blind spots whatsoever. This dashcam doesn't hold back on features as well. It has loop recording, motion detection, G sensors, parking mode, night vision, and wide dynamic range to ensure that your videos are clear no matter the lighting conditions. Number 5. ApexScam Full HD 1080p Dashcam. The largest display for drivers who like a larger display. This is an ideal dashcam that has a 4-inch touchscreen. With this, the information on the screen will be more legible and the playback experience will be clearer as well. You'll see real-time display and replay functions, too. As such, you'll have everything you need at a glance. In terms of video quality, this product is equipped with all the necessary features a dashcam should have. It records footage in Full HD, has night vision, WDR tech with 1.8 aperture, and a big LED light for a clearer picture in low light conditions. Number 4. Atovone Wi-Fi Dashcam with GPS. This budget dashcam comes with the Sony IMX323 sensor, one of the superior sensors on the market. The quality of the image is improved by allowing more natural details and richer tone. But other than that, it boasts a great feature set as well. First off, it has a 170-degree field of vision that captures 3 to 4 lanes of traffic at 1296p. The built-in GPS and Wi-Fi are useful features, too. Although not necessary, they make navigation much easier, compared to other dashcams which are only for surveillance. Another thing worth noting is the G sensor. Even when your car is parked, this dashcam will record 30 seconds of video and audio when any sort of external force is detected. In terms of storage, you have a lot of room because this dashcam can support up to 128 GB micro SD memory cards. The battery life is also pretty decent in our experience. What aids this is the screensaver mode, which displays only the date and time. Overall, this is a great dashcam for under $100. Number 3. Campark Dashcam 4K UHD. The best night vision with 4K Ultra HD video resolution. This budget dashcam can capture high-quality imaging no matter the weather or the time of day. It also has a wide aperture that gathers light better than others at this price point, ensuring that every picture or video you get is clear. Like most models, this one also has a parking mode. Even though the camera turns on and off with your car, it will start to record when it detects shocks or bumps nearby. That means if a collision occurs, the video footage will be recorded and locked in the dash camera. The loop video recording function will not erase these crucial clips. However, note that it only records 30 seconds of video and sound when movement is detected. As you can see, even if this dash cam is under $100, it comes with everything you need for the setup, including the windshield mount. Number 2. AXIM Mini Dashcam. AXIM is another popular brand when it comes to dashcams, and this particular model is one of their cheapest dashcams under $100. However, it still provides a pretty decent performance with its full HD picture quality and super night recording. While it doesn't have the best video quality we've seen during night drives, the footage is still well lit. The sensitive motion detection feature and the parking monitor are useful functions as well. When your car is parked or left unattended, this dashcam will start recording when it detects suspicious activity. Additionally, there's a loop recording and G-sensor function that automatically overwrites old existing footage with new files. As such, you don't have to go through the hassle of clearing up old videos. This dashcam has an easy setup as well. It only took us 2 minutes to get it up and running, and it automatically turns on every time you start your engine. Number 1. Rove R2 4K Dashcam. The Rove R2 4K, as the name suggests, records footage in 4K Ultra HD. That means the videos have a resolution of 3840 x 2160 pixels, unlike the usual 1080 quality you get even in mid-range models. It also features an ultra-low light sensor, which significantly illuminates details so you can still see them when it's dark. When we tested this dashcam at night, it did a pretty good job at brightening up the details and being true to its night vision claims. It also has a 150-degree wide-angle lens, so your camera will catch anything crucial in case of accidents and other road situations. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best dashcam under $100 in 2022. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.